Hello friends, my name is Raza Basu. Today we will discuss about a topic project schedule network diagram. Friend, this is a very easy topic to understand and we will see with respect to project management or PMI or PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, that what does it mean by project schedule network diagram. I will try my level best to explain you the concept of schedule network diagram in a very easy to understand manner. Friend, this is a very important topic. You should know about this in detail if you are a student and studying in university or planning to give an exam of PMP. So this is very important to understand the schedule network diagram, because you must see in the exam at least 5 to 10 questions. Definitely you will see 5 to 10 questions in the exam which are totally completely related to schedule network diagram. So you can understand the importance of schedule network diagram with respect to studies, PMP or exam point of view. So this is very important. This is a very easy topic to understand. And secondly, if you are a project manager and working as a project manager in any organization and you are a professional, so this is very important to understand, because as a project manager you must know the dependencies between the activities and that how to make the plan and how to make the schedule network diagram. Why it is important? Because it is important to understand the dependencies between the activities so that you can schedule you can make a schedule. When you understand the activities and when you understand the dependency between the activities, so it will become easier for you to understand and make a plan accordingly. So friend, first of all I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. What is project schedule network diagram? If you see from here, what is project schedule network diagram? First of all, it is a diagram. uh, so that means it is a diagram. Network, schedule, project, these are the three terms which are very important. Friend, basically it's a term, it's a diagram, it's a figure which shows the dependencies between the activities. It shows that how different diagrams are connected with each other. It is the concept which shows, it is a diagram, it is a figure which shows different activities, their dependencies, their durations, and how they are interconnected with each other. So this is called the concept of project schedule network diagram. Going into more into detail, for example, friend, let me ask from you that what you think, that what is an activity with respect to project management. When we talk about a activity, what does that mean? Friend, when we talk about activity, activity means some task which you can estimate in terms of cost, time, and it has some output and it has some result. What does that mean? For example, if you are sitting at home and you are planning to go to meet to your uncle somewhere at some location, so you have to plan that at what time you will go there. You need a conveyance like motorcycle or car to go there. You need a petrol as well, so that you for petrol consumption is also needed for motorcycle or car. So and it has some objective as well, like to if you want to go there, so it has some aim and objective in your mind, it has some desired output, so due to which you are going there. So friend, so this is like to meet your uncle, it is an activity. Why? It is a task which you can estimate in terms of cost, in terms of schedule, and it has some objective as well. So you can plan it, you can plan that activity, you can plan that task in terms of schedule, in terms of time, cost. Why cost? Because petrol is also needed. So in terms of time, cost, schedule, you have to plan that activity, you have to plan that task, and obviously it has some objective, it has some desired output, desired result as well. Similarly friend, when we talk about in project management, activity means some task which you can do, which you can estimate in terms of time, cost, schedule, and it has some output as well. For example, if it say for example if we say that uh, for example software development, it is if you are implementing a project, so software development, it is an activity. User acceptance testing, it is an activity. Production deployment it is an activity. Why it is an activity? Because this is an activity which you can estimate in terms of cost, schedule, time, and it has some output as well. So that's why we are saying it is an activity. Now coming towards our main topic, project schedule network diagram. Friend, as per the definition, project schedule network diagram typically refers to a particular input output mechanism that represents a particular schematic display of any or all logical relationship that may exist between the existing project schedule activities. The friend, this is just a definition. Let me tell you, try to explain you. Network diagram means, friend, the activities. First of all, if you are implementing any project, for example, you have to implement the e-commerce solution, software solution, e-commerce solution for a customer, for example. So first of all, you have to identify the activities, that what is needed to accomplish the to accomplish or complete the project. And then you have to identify the relationship, the dependency between the activities. Whenever we talk about dependency between the activities, basically we are referring to the relationship between the activities. Relationship means, friend, for example, activity A and activity B. First, if for example, if activity A will finish, then activity B will start. So this is the dependency between activity B and A. That means when only activity B will only start when the activity A will finish. This is called as finish to start relationship. So friend, basically whenever we talk about dependency, we are basically referring to the relationship between the activities, dependency between the activities. Relationship means dependency means that for example, activity B will only start when the activity A will finish. Okay, so this is called the concept of dependency between the activities, or relationship between the activities. So whenever we talk about project schedule network diagram, basically it refers to a schema, basically it refers to a figures in which we represents different activities. The activities means the task which you have to accomplish to complete the project, and it defines the relationship between different activities. So this is called the concept of schedule network diagram. Try to again read the definition. The project schedule network diagram typically refers to a particular input output mechanism that represents a particular schematic display of any and all logical relationships that may exist between the existing project schedule activities. Friend, whenever we have to implement a project, we have to identify the activities, then we have to identify the relationship between the activities, and then we make a schedule network diagram. A schedule network diagram means that we can identify that this activity will finish, then this activity will start, this activity will finish, then this activity will start. For example, first of all, we have to complete the software development, then we will start the testing. Okay, so testing is dependent on completion of software development. When the software development will finish, then the testing will start. Once the testing activity will finish, then the production deployment will start. So production deployment is dependent on testing. Once the testing will finish, only then the production deployment will start. So this is called the dependency or relationship between the activities. Let me show you a very simple example of project schedule network diagram. See friend, here this is the schedule network diagram. Here start is here, then activity A, B or C is here. So see, if you see just from here, activity A, B and C are starting in parallel. This is the time duration. These three activities will start in parallel. Then this activity will start once this activity A will finish. Similarly, if we talk about D and this activity, these activities will start once the one D will start once the B will finish. Similarly, E will start once the C will finish. Then the F and G activities will finish simultaneously. Are you getting my point? The finish we will consider only when the activity F and activity G will finish. only then we can say the project has been finished. Friend, this is a very simple example. Just try to understand. Activity means the task which you have to accomplish to complete a project. We have to identify the tasks which are required to complete a project. Then we make the schedule network diagram. Schedule network diagram means that it defines the relationship between the activities. Here for see, D is dependent on A and B. Once the A and B will finish, only then the D will start. So this is the dependency or relationship between the activities. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And I have tried my level best to explain you the concept of a schedule network diagram in a very easy to understand manner. If you have still any question, please do ask from me. I would love to answer your queries. And please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues. So thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Also, I would say that if you share it with your friends and colleagues, so this video can be helpful for other people as well. So thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side.